Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing this U-part wig that was sent to me from Unice. This is the company here, okay, and this is a seller on Amazon, and they sent me this. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it out. This is the hair, and we got a cap, and we got a headband in here. I don't think I tried out a U-part wig yet. So like I said, this is a seller on Amazon, and they sent me a 16-inch U-part human wig, and this is Afro Kinky straight middle part wig, and it's 150 density. So I was trying to figure out if I could put heat on this. I'm not sure. I was going through the website to see if I could put heat on this, but it really don't tell me much. Hopefully that I could put heat on this. You know, my hair is natural, and I think this color is a natural color. Hopefully that it matches my natural hair. But it says material of the U-part wig is 100% unprocessed. So hopefully we can, because I need to make sure that this blended with my hair properly. So this is the wig here. So let's take this out, and this is it here. It's like really kinky hair. Oh my god, I hope I could put heat on this. It says it's human hair, right? So hopefully I could press it down. And this is the U part right here. So I'm gonna cut that out. The hair is like really thick. So you got like 3 combs on the top here. You get 2 on each side, and you get 1 in the back here. Also, you got 2 combs on the side, and I believe you have 1 right here. So that's pretty good. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna show you guys my natural hair in a minute. But this is really soft. Really soft hair. So this is what I did to my hair. Since I'm doing a U part, I did it like this. I don't know if I did it right. I don't know, girl. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna cut the strap. So let's just see. I'm gonna stick that right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, but I feel like this front, you guys see what it looks like here? It has a pin on each side here that I could use. Oh, this is like so tight. Okay, so I'm gonna make it work, and let's just pull it down. I don't know if this is gonna go well with my natural hair. I don't know, but I actually do like it. This is how it looks in the front here. Like, if I remembered, I should have left some of my actual natural hair so it could, you know, blend in, but I wasn't thinking about that when I was braiding my hair. As you guys know, my hair is like really thick and natural, and I actually like this. And I have some like white stuff in my hair. I treated my hair on Saturday with aloe vera. And I don't know if this ever happened to you guys, but it happened to me, where I have like white stuff in my hair, and I try to take it off, but you know, so we're just gonna work with it. My scalp is like really sensitive, so I try not to mess with my hair too much, and I don't like putting heat in my hair. So hopefully this, you see, my hair is a little darker than the actual hair. I think I left enough space. I think it's gonna work. I think I left enough here to work with it. Because if you guys look here, it's like all the way in the front. So I thinking that I should cut out piece of that hair. Okay, so before I cut this, let me see how it blend in with my hair is straightened out. My hair is like really natural. It don't go with, oh my god, I broke the comb. See, natural hair, girl. I'm just going to press this, and let's see if this is gonna cover the tracks. So I have my iron here, and we're just going to, you know, press this. smoke. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like. This hair is like really thick. Press it down. You guys see what I did just for it to look a little bit more natural. It can take heat, okay? I put a lot of heat on this, so I think it blends with my hair the way I want it to. As you guys could see, like my hair is really thick and the color is like a natural color, but my hair is a little darker. I try my best to blend it as much as I can. Now as you guys see the texture of this hair is, it's like a wash and go type hair. It will blend in with your hair really good, but since I have 4C hair, it's not really blend the way I would like it to, but it looks okay. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, how I style it. Now I just put this band right here so it could bring out the hair a little bit. I just feel like it looks a little dull. I'm not a big fan of U-part wig because I sweat a lot in my head. So for me to be using this outside, it will be a disaster. I already start sweating in the front already. See my hair start curling up, but I love the hair. Like I really do like it. It's really thick. Okay, I don't want to mess up my hair because my natural hair is in front. It looks okay. It don't look that bad. As you guys could see how it blend in with the hair, very natural. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. I will have all the information in the description box down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.